efficiency, and high labor costs in traditional spraying. Say goodbye to those headaches with our CNC 5-axis spraying machine, your ultimate solution to elevate spraying quality, boost productivity, and outcompete in the market. Why our CNC 5-axis spraying machine stands out? 5-axis linkage, unparalleled precision. Equipped with high-precision CNC control system, our machine achieves seamless 5-axis linkage movement. It can easily handle complex workpieces with curved surfaces, irregular shapes, or multi-angle structures, ensuring uniform coating thickness error is less than or equal to 0.02 毫米 and consistent spray effect. Every detail. No more missed spots or uneven layers that ruin product value. Smart automation, cut costs and boost efficiency. Integrated with automatic workpiece clamping, spray path planning, and paint supply control, the machine minimizes manual intervention. Compared with traditional manual spraying, it increases production efficiency by over 30% and reduces paint waste by 10% significantly, lowering labor and material costs. It can operate continuously for 24 hours, maximizing your production capacity. Strong adaptability, fit diverse industries. Whether you're in automotive parts, furniture or doors, MDF, WPC plastic products, our machine can be customized to meet your specific needs. It supports various paint types such as solvent-based, water-based, UV-curable paints, and adapts to workpieces of different sizes from small precision parts to large structural components. 0086-159-310-9879